Hi guys, this is Chris. Hey listen, I've got a bunch of guys asking me about the grapple on my mini excavator. Some of the limitations that we have with the grapple on the machine, and how I use it to basically clear my property out and stuff. So first I'll start with, I wish I had this thing a long time ago. I found this grapple on this mini excavator to be so user-friendly compared to that of the hydraulic thumb that I've had on all my other excavators. It's really a finesse piece of equipment and very fast. Also, I have a Reese hitch adapter on my blade, so I can haul a trailer behind the excavator or in front of the excavator, however I'm working, and actually grab the logs and stick them into the log trailer. There's been some question about snow, like how does this operate in the snow and everything. Well, first and foremost, I have brand new tracks on my excavator. The deepest snow that I've driven this machine in is about 1.5 feet here up in Maine, and I've had zero issues. If anything, it's actually helped me pack in the snow. I got better traction with these rubber tracks. They're Campost tracks, so they have multiple grooves in them. They work great. I really have had no problems with them, although I know individuals have asked me whether or not it could go up a hill and pull. I've had no issues whatsoever, and I've pulled, Brymar dump trailers behind this, and I've had no issues. My plan in the next several weeks is actually build a smaller ATV log trailer that has a little bit smaller, about the same width as this, so I can go through some of my trails and get some of the down firewood and everything. And I appreciate everybody's input and help on sourcing that out. So, like parts and everything. So I very much appreciate that from the community. With that, I'm going to do a quick. I'm going to run this thing and I'll show you how I do stuff. And if you have any questions, post on the bottom of the video on our forum, and let me know what you think. So as you can see, still getting used to the foot pedal for clamping the material, but it's a pretty handy unit, and obviously, like anything with practice, makes perfect. I don't have very many hours on this attachment. It's actually brand spanking new for me to this machine. But as you can see, this is a lot of material. We can move it. We're going to burn this over here, so I'll take the firewood tonight, get that back to the shop, and then this will be, we'll just burn this brush pile in its spot. But for doing brush pickup and going through the woods and just picking up logs, it's a very handy tool. I recommend it. It might not fit everybody's needs, but for sure for mine, I'm happy I purchased it, and I retrofitted it to this machine. Thanks again.